Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Stasiak, and I'm the Digital Content Manager at New York University Libraries. Today, I'll be talking to you about our lab's role in the multi-year construction of the Arabic Collections Online. Arabic Collections Online is a publicly available digital library of public domain Arabic language content, comprising over 17,000 volumes across numerous subjects. It launched in 2013 and grew to encompass volumes drawn from the research libraries of 7 partner institutions: our own library, Princeton, Columbia, and Cornell universities, plus 3 overseas research libraries: the American University in Cairo, the American University in Beirut, and the National Archives of the United Arab Emirates. Digitization concluded in June of 2021, having uploaded over 15 million image files to our preservation repository. We knew that the only way that we were going to be able to manage a project this size was to utilize a network of trusted vendors to briskly shoot the materials, and for our team to keep pace with excellent quality control, file validation, upload, and tracking. This is the largest digitization initiative that our lab has ever undertaken, and it required communication, collaboration, and creative problem solving across several departments. The bird's eye view of this workflow follows this sequence. The project manager selects items to be digitized, and a work order is generated that links BSNs to unique digitization IDs. The vendors receive these work orders and arrange for the pickup of materials from partners. When they're done shooting, the digitized items are sent via hard drive to NYU's quality control specialist for review. QC specialists check the file validity and image quality, provide any necessary feedback, then upload the content to our preservation repository. They alert the vendor with an all clear report, signaling that it's okay to delete the working files and initiate the return of books to our partners. Some elements of this project were typical of projects that we've embarked on in the lab in the past. That includes communicating with vendors about image specifications and also shooting some of the more fragile items in-house. But there were also a few elements of this project that were atypical and brand new for us. To communicate project doneness to our vendors and stakeholders, our programming team constructed a lightweight item-level tracking system to report project progress and completeness. Our lab was also heavily involved in the standing up of rapid capture imaging stations for our overseas partners and committed to training teams in Beirut and Cairo to digitize their own materials to the same standards employed in our lab. We also decided early on not to put all of our eggs in one vendor's basket, but split the vast digitization duties between 2. Hudson Archival in New York and Backstage Library Works in Pennsylvania. A third local vendor, Picture-Ray in New Jersey, was also brought in for the final push at the end of our digitization period, which officially closed in June of 2021. The lightweight item-level tracking system our programming team devised is called Flow, and it helps us to communicate to stakeholders quickly about the status of any given book. It utilizes 2 different types of directories that exist on our department's fiber optic storage area network: state directories, which alert you to the production status of a particular book, and unit of work directories, which contain the image files, an environment of creation document, a session target image, and possibly a README text file, alerting the quality control specialist of anything to watch out for, such as missing pages or anomalous artifacts in the object. Reports like this are automatically compiled and sent out to various stakeholders via email. We now utilize Flow as a tracking mechanism for all items that move through our lab. We also knew that we wanted the images across partners and vendors to adhere to the same standard of digitization that we set for ourselves in the lab. That by using consistent, replicable lighting environments and cultural heritage standards for color reproduction, we can create extremely high quality master and derivative files that preserve the look and feel of the original objects. One of the aspects of this project that we are most proud of is the standing up of digitization workstations at the labs of our friends and partners in Beirut and Cairo. They came to our institution for crash courses in the same complicated hardware and software that we use, then took that equipment and know-how back home to start producing images that stand directly alongside images from our commercial imaging vendors. I'd also like to quickly shout out one of the handiest little quality control tools that helped us immensely with this project, created by an enterprising student worker in our lab that uses JavaScript to scan each directory and identifies potential errors. Those errors can include gaps in page number sequencing, missing master or derivative files, the presence or absence of environment creation documents, and README files and session targets within each directory. Over the course of the pandemic year, all of this work and effort has led to a massive increase in the usage of the site and of the digital library, and for that we are incredibly grateful. I'd like to thank all of our partner institutions, NYU Abu Dhabi, the Arcadia Foundation, and the Carnegie Foundation. And a huge thank you to the crew at Digital Transitions for years of hardware and software support. And a massive debt of thanks to our digitization vendors, our dear friends at Hudson Archival in New York, Backstage Library Works in Pennsylvania, and Picture in New Jersey for making this a true tri-state effort. And I hope you have time to peruse the collection and appreciate the years of hard work that went into the images that you can see at the link in these slides. Thank you for your time.